How can you modify your recorded voice on the iPhone? Let's get started. If it's your first time on a Foxtecc, subscribe so you never miss anything important. Well, I assume that you are using the built-in voice memos, which is actually a great way to capture the audio and your voice. And there are even some features for the editing, like you can tap on the edit and click on edit again, and you can enhance the recording. It doesn't explain in a deeper level what it does specifically, but I guess it will make it sound better. Or you can also change the speed in here. The skip silence doesn't really change it, only cuts out the empty parts of the recording, but that's what you can do using the built-in voice recorder. So if you wanted to modify it in this sense, if that's enough, that's already built in. However, as I said, the voice memos is great to capture the audio, but not so much for the editing. There aren't that many features. So I always have to rely on some third-party solutions. So one good example is the noise reduction app, which I downloaded from the App Store. It's called Noise Reducer, and it lets me import the footage or the audio from my phone. So if I captured something inside of the built-in voice memos, I have to at first export it from this app by clicking the three dots, tapping share, and I usually just save it to my files app, right, as a like an audio recording file, and then I can access it in other places. Like for example, in this third-party app, I can import it from the files, and the additional edits can be applied in a different app. And there are of course plenty of such apps on the App Store which can change some of the audio stuff. You can modify it in many different ways, but the general blueprint is going to be the same. Like the built-in features are those, and if you need more, you'll need to export the audio from your recordings and edit that audio in a different app. So that's how it generally works. I really hope that I can help you out with it. Yeah, if there are any more questions you might have, leave those below, but for now that's it. Thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you later.